Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is the assignment 2 of assembly part. The subject is the automotive component manufacturing. Before I start, I will introduce uh, my team member. First, Sharbiza binti Musa and myself, Haziq Afiffudin bin Amin Baki. We are from 4 BMP 1/2. The title of our assignment 2 is piston. Consists of piston and root. Next, I will proceed with the introduction of our assignment. The radial engine is an internal combustion motor configuration in a reciprocating type. It functions as the cylinder transmits outward from central crankcase like a spoke of a wheel. It takes after an inducted star when seen from the front and is known as a star motor in certain countries like Germany, French, Japanese and Italian. The design works as the axes of the cylinder are coplanar and connecting rods cannot be attached directly to the crankshaft unless mechanically complex fork connector rods are used. Instead, the pistons are connected to the crankshaft with a master and articulating rod assembly. One piston, the uppermost one in animation, has a master rod with a direct attachment to the crankshaft. The remaining pistons pin their connecting rods attachment to the rings around the edge of the master rod. Extra radial cylinders can be added in order to increase the capacity of the engine without adding to its diameter. Then I will proceed with the fabrication process. Fabrication process for the connecting rod by using powder metal process. The first process is powder filling. Next, compacting. Next, concentering and ejecting, followed by preform inserting, fogging, and the last one is ejecting. The process for powder metal pressed together and then put into ovens where it sinter which gradually are melt together and form the rod. This process is too suitable for the automotive parts because it can be used in engine with 7,000 RPM. Next, I will proceed with the fabrication process for piston by using CNC milling machine. This fabrication process for connecting rod known by using sintered powder metal press and piston manufacturing process is by using the CNC milling machine. The software that has been used to stimulate the test on these assembly parts is SolidWorks. I will proceed with the assembly drawing. This is the result from the drawing that we drawn on the SolidWorks. As we can see, this is the drawing from the side view, up view, front view of the piston and the rod itself.
And the process to fabricate the piston is include the rod, the punch, the oven, the lathe, and the milling machine. The rod begin with the 9 foot long, which is a solid aluminum. The reason why aluminum is used is because it's lightweight, rust-proof, and easy to cut. Then the punch, press, and the die are preheated while the slug move through the oven. This is how the punch and the oven take place during this manufacturing process. After go through the punch process, it will be fogging into a basic shape of piston, and after fogging cool down, it will be into the oven for the twice more, and first at the high temperature and to strengthen the metal, and the second time with lower temperature to stabilize the part. And then the lathe machine will use to cut the excess metal from the basic form of the piston, which is it closer to finished part, and it will undergo the drilling process and finally towards the milling process by using milling machine. To do this analysis, we are choosing the aluminum alloy as a material, and this is the material properties. The mass density of this part is 2.81 kg per meter cube. And here is the testing result simulation for this part. So here the first result is the stress result on this part. So the blue color shows that the stress on this part is under control, with the value indicates by the color, and this the displacement result for this part, which is it's contain the blue and green color with the value. And the last one is the strain result analysis. Through all the analysis result, we can see that all the value of displacement, strain and stress for this part is good to be manufactured. And that's all from us. Thank you.